Welcome to the Pearly Gates one and all. The boss requires for some of you to spell a few simple words to get beyond the Pearly Gates. We know you all have earned your spot to be here. But the boss has to be extra cautious and implement this final test.
I hope them not give you any hard words for spelling. Me used to sit down at the back of the class when me I go school. So even though me a bright boy, I can't spell too good.
Mr. American, can you spell cat?
Of course, sir. Can you use it in a sentence?
The cat sat on the mat after it caught the rat.
Cat. C-A-T, cat.
Very good, Mr. American. You may pass. Mr. Japanese, can you spell rat?
Definitely, sir. Can you use it in a sentence?
And them little easy word that them a ask people for spell. If me did know say I saw it easy for pass the Pearly Gates, me would have reached up here a long time. Them no know say a beer tricks me work while me there. Just imagine, me as a scammer, trick my way into heaven.
The cat sat on the mat after it caught the rat.
Ret. R-A-T, ret.
Excellent, Mr. Japanese. You may pass.
My virgin Petey, what go on? Father God, you there? Big up yourself.
Yellow, Yardie.
Mr. Yardie, can you spell Engelbert Humperdinck?
Mr. St. Peter, can you use it in a sentence?
During his career, Engelbert Humperdinck had significant successes with chart-topping hits.